determination of iron. Objective of this experiment is to determine the iron concentration present in the given water sample by colorimetric or spectrophotometric method. In the blank nestless cylinder, take some distilled water. 1 ml of stock iron solution is diluted to 100 ml, then 0.1 mg of iron will be there in 100 ml solution. Hence, concentration of this solution becomes 1 mg per liter. Based on this calculation, prepare a series of standards from 0 to 2.5 mg per liter in the increment of 0.5 mg per liter. Take 0.5 ml, 1 ml, 1.5 ml, 2 ml and 2.5 ml of standard iron solution in 5 different nestless cylinders. Take some sample in one more nestless cylinder. Add 4 ml of 4 normal HCl to all 7 cylinders. Add 5 ml of 5% potassium thiocyanate solution. Now make up the volume with distilled water to 100 ml except sample. For sample, make up to the 100 ml with samples only. Then mix all the nestless cylinders thoroughly. Color comparison is done using spectrophotometer. Power button is back side. In the front, display shows percentage transmission or absorption value. This display shows wavelength. First, calibrate the instrument using blank. This is the cuvette. Take blank solution in it. Wipe to dry and place inside the cuvette holder. Close the lid. Press visible button till red bulb glows. Now, starting from 350 nanometer onwards, the instrument makes auto zero absorbance. Continue auto zero till our required wavelength. When the display shows our required wavelength, press again stop scanning. For determination of iron, 510 nanometer wavelength is selected. Now take out the cuvette. Rinse with distilled water. Rinse it with first standard. Fill it with first standard. Place inside. Close the lid. Note down absorbance value. Similarly, take reading to all standards and also for sample. Plot a graph taking concentration in milligram per liter along x-axis and absorbance along y-axis. Since we know the absorbance value of sample from the graph, Find out its concentration.